Join me as I take on the challenge of making $10,000 a month with digital marketing, and I'll show you every step of the way. I'm super excited to share my journey with you. I've been in the digital marketing space for a while now, and I've learned a thing or two about what works and what doesn't. Making $10,000 a month is a milestone I've achieved, and I'm here to tell you that it's not just a dream, but a reality that can be attained with the right strategies and mindset. One of the biggest hurdles people face when starting out in digital marketing is the lack of knowledge. There are so many tools, platforms, and techniques out there that it can be overwhelming. I was in the same shoes, but I took the time to learn and experiment. Another challenge is competition. It seems like every niche is saturated, making it hard to stand out. And then there's the struggle to find clients or customers who are interested in what you're offering. These challenges can be tough to overcome, but they're not insurmountable. I've seen many people succeed in digital marketing, and I've learned from their experiences. For instance, finding the right niche or area of specialization can make all the difference. It's also crucial to have a solid understanding of your target audience and what they're looking for. The competition in digital marketing is indeed fierce, but it's not about competing with everyone, it's about finding your unique voice and value proposition. What sets you apart from others in your niche? What's your unique selling point? Focusing on these questions helped me carve out my own space in the market. Email campaigns are another key area that can be tricky, especially when it comes to getting your messages opened and read. But, with the right approach, email marketing can be incredibly powerful. I've learned that building a genuine connection with your audience and providing value are essential. To overcome these challenges, I focused on a few key strategies. Search engine optimization, or SEO, has been a game changer for me. By optimizing my content and website for search engines, I've been able to attract organic traffic and reach a wider audience. Social media marketing has also been instrumental in helping me connect with my target audience and build my brand. I've also experimented with various techniques, such as creating high-quality content, leveraging influencers, and using paid advertising. The key is to find what works for you and your business. I've learned to track my results, analyze my data, and adjust my strategies accordingly. One pivotal moment for me was when I realized the importance of focusing on high-ticket offers. Instead of trying to sell low-priced products or services, I shifted my focus to offering high-ticket solutions that provided more value to my clients. This change in approach significantly boosted my earnings and allowed me to scale my business more efficiently. This experience taught me the importance of being adaptable and willing to pivot when necessary. It also showed me that with persistence and the right strategies, I could achieve my goals. My journey to making $10,000 a month with digital marketing has been a winding road, but it's one that I'm grateful for. If you're just starting out or looking to scale your digital marketing efforts, I want to leave you with a key takeaway: persistence is key. Don't give up, even when things get tough. Keep learning, experimenting, and pushing forward. If you've had any experiences with digital marketing, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on digital marketing. I'm always sharing new content and strategies to help you succeed.